Well, I broke the baler. I've got probably 7 acres of hay cut and was planning on baling today. Got my twine threaded and, well, I was in the process of threading my twine. You can see the twine's in the twine disc here, but no twine in the twine disc on this side. And like I said, I got everything threaded. I tripped the knotters to bring the knife up to the twine disc, and this broke. Okay, I don't know if something's jammed or it's out of time. This baler was supposedly totally rebuilt, so you would think they would have ran it and everything would have been in time. I don't know. But so now I'm pretty much out of the hay business until I can get that fixed. But it don't look like I'll be baling hay anytime soon. And like I said, I've got 7 acres on the ground that's probably going to rot. So that's where I'm at. I looked at replacing this, and I'm not sure if this is an early model or a late model. The early model is about $350. The late model is $450. So don't really see that getting replaced anytime soon. I've got to go take care of Dad today, so probably won't be getting anything done. That's about it for now. So don't think we'll be seeing any hay videos this year. Thank y'all for watching. Alright, I just found this spacer jammed in here. I don't know if that was in there and that's what caused it to break, or that broke, or that got jammed in there when this piece broke. Don't know where that came from or what it goes to. So I'll have to do a little more research on this thing, see if I can't figure out. I don't know, when they rebuilt this thing, I don't know if that piece was left off and it was jammed up in here. Hard to say. Like I said, I don't know if that's what caused the grease cap to break. It was definitely in a bind somewhere, and I'm thinking maybe that's what caused it. I mean, I can't see where that, I mean, it couldn't have come off there. I'm thinking that must have been jammed in there to start with. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Okay, I think that little spacer or whatever it was the cause. I'm looking at this and this whole thing is broke. It's broke here and it's broke right there, so that's definitely going to have to be replaced. I'm thinking that this little spacer was jammed up here, and I'm thinking when that thing came around, caused all this to break. I'm hoping that's the problem. Like I said, it's pretty much put me out of commission, so but I'm hoping that was what caused it. Like I said, I don't know how that was jammed up in there. I don't know if when they rebuilt this thing, they had parts left somewhere or what, but looked like it kind of chipped that tooth a little bit too. I don't know if that'll have to be replaced or if that'll work like it is, but this part here is definitely going to have to be replaced.